Kia ora whānau. Kia ora whānau. Kia ora. Toru wha. Kia ora whānau. So you're back with Mr. Rooxs today. Oh, I think I'll just take you for a little spin in my new kitchen. We got our whare renovated before the level 4 lockdown, and new cooktop. I can get under here with my wheelchair now. I don't have to turn sideways and cook, which is choice. New induction cooker, mean induction cookers are mean. Cast iron pots and pans, they work mean on there. But just when you're doing boil ups and stuff, and the water starts to, you know how it boils over and goes over the side, the stove top will detect an error, and then it'll turn off. So you gotta be careful with that. Well, it's a new stove that slides in, so I can get right up in there with my wheelchair. And one of these things too, one of these cool as sort of spice rack things. Yeah, that's cool. So here's my new kitchen. But today, I'm going to teach you. Now I know some whānau will probably be like, hey, that's not even right, bro. But you know, when you come home and it's like late night, midday today, but I'm just saying, like when you come home late night, you know, you've been out all day and you're hungry and you got, you know, and you just want to just have a quick feed. Bro, I want to teach you fellas. Some of you might know this. I was taught by an old fella actually, down in Dunedin, in Dunners, down there. He actually taught me how to do this. How to make a flounder in the microwave. Yes, whānau, you heard it, in the microwave. No clean up, you know, no fuss. When you're tired and you just want a quick feed, this is how we do a whānau. 2 minutes, put some butter on it, bit of salt, 2 minutes each side, and it's done. Perfect whānau, I'm telling you. Got our flounder, nice little yellow belly. This is just a little one. I've got a couple of bigger ones in the fridge. Bought them today off one of the kaumatua here in my hometown. So just want to take you over whānau to my microwave. There you go. You might have seen this microwave. Made a guest appearance in one of my other videos. How to cook mussels in a microwave. And the link will be in the description. How to cook mussels in a microwave. Honestly, whānau, you gotta try it. Don't knock it till you try it, right? Okay, my mum does it that way. It's awesome. Steaming mussels, quick, fast. We're gonna steam this, cook this flounder in the microwave. Here we go, whānau. Here we go. Just gonna switch these around. Here you go, whānau. Here we go in there. Oh, sorry. Gotta put some butter and salt on there first, I suppose. There you go, whānau. Some butter. Still on there. And that just all just melt and it'll be sitting in a pool of butter. And with the Himalayan, all the way from the mountains of the Himalayas. Yeah, whānau. Good salt, the salt, mate. Here we go. Open up our magic box. In there. 2 minutes. Now whānau, if that doesn't work, someone put a fork in there and blew it up. So the electrics don't work on there, but it's 2 minutes, whānau. So I push stop, and then one, two. 2 minutes, whānau. Just watch that butter melt. Butter's still melting, whānau. Here we go. We're about 40 seconds in. There goes Flounder. There goes Flounder. I'm gonna flip it. Ah. Give it another couple minutes. And here we go, Flounder. Look at that. Cooked. All done. Salty, buttery. Look at that. Look at that, Flounder. Easy as that. Beautiful. So there you go, Flounder. Some more good cooking, Mr. Rooxs. There you have it, Flounder. There you have it, Flounder. It's easy as that. Go get you a flounder. Get you a feed. No ora mai. Kaki.